I don't know. She's not well, probably.
Ma'am, are there 5 cases in Tapti Valley?
What?
Ma'am, were there 5 cases in the school?
Why?
Ma'am,
And there were 5 cases in Corona.
there was 5 cases in the school.
5 cases.
Yes.
You are sitting at home and cooking stories. Rudra
No,
Jajaria.
actually, ma'am. I'm a student in my mom's class has Corona.
Yeah,
So
it has
I
suspect
something
of
that now
corona. The
online.
report has not come. Vedi Celia, I want you to sit straight on your back and attend the class. Now, Vedi Celia, either you leave my class or you sit straight. Okay, you're not sitting. I'm removing you. Bye. Are you sitting or not? I'm asking you for the last time.
Just remove her, ma'am. If you keep her in her class, she will do nothing. If you don't, she will do nothing. Yeah.
Better.
Nothing will change. She doesn't talk. She doesn't say anything.
Okay. So we are going to start with the chapter, The Little Bully. We had a good discussion the other day. What are bullies? How do they tease people? And how do they irritate people? And how do they hurt people? And then they enjoy doing all this. They have no guilt feeling. They have no guilt feeling.
They are not guilty.
What, Dhyan?
I was not clear for the meaning of guilt. Ma'am, what is the meaning of guilt?
Guilt is that you don't feel bad about doing bad. You don't have a guilt feeling. You're okay with it.
Ma'am, in this chapter, we will make the bully will feel guilty at the last. Ma'am, because
Okay. So once upon a time, Rudra Jajaria, please settle down with your book, page 135. Once upon a time, not so very long ago, there was a small boy called Hari. Although he wasn't very big, he was strong and he loved to tease all the boys and girls who went to school with him.
ma'am, here it is once upon a time, not so very long ago. In my poem, it was once upon a time, a long
very-
time ago. So,
This is a
way
phrase.
to express it?
Phrase. It's a phrase to start a story. Okay.
What?
He was strong and he loved to tease all the boys and girls who went to school with him. What he loved to do most was to pinch. He could make a big bruise appear in half a second. What's a bruise? Yes, Kevna?
Now, bruises when you get hot on in your hand
And you get scratched.
scratch or and it like
A brown color
brown
coating comes on your.
reddish color.
So when you bruise, when you fall down on the road, your knees get bruised or your elbow gets bruised. Yes, Nishika.
Some black appears.
Brown.
Yes.
Then on the boy side, sometimes I fall from skating and there was a ball around there is a little bit.
Ma'am, I had got pushed on this knee 4 times. Ma'am, only on this knee 4 times.
Okay. Another trick he played was pricking people with a pin. What's pricking? You have to prick people means he uses a pin and uses it on the flesh of people to prick.
Like an injection.
No, not an injection, not that deep, but just touches it to irritate people.
Like a fire.
To irritate people. So you can guess how the children hated him. They tried pinching him back, but that was no good. because he could always pinch harder. They didn't like telling their teacher because that was telling tales. It so happened that the class went for a picnic to the seaside for a whole day. All the children were most excited. On that day, the sun shone bright and all the children were wild with excitement. So when we go away for a picnic, we are full of
Ma'am, what
excitement.
are you doing? I was late because my internet connection.
Ma'am, we are excited before a day.
Yeah, we are excited before a day. Yash, we are reading the chapter The Little Bully and we have reached page 136. On that day, the sun shone bright and all the children were wild with excitement. They crowded into the train and sat down. But nobody wanted to sit next to Hari because he always pinched. When they arrived at the seaside, out jumped all the children with a shout of joy. Down to the sands they raced, hand in hand, but nobody took Hari's hand. Nobody went near him. Why? Because in the previous chapter, what have we read? Nobody wants to be his friend.
Nobody's friend.
He is nobody's friend. He is nobody's friend.
And in this chapter, he was pinching, so nobody is his friend.
Nobody wants to be friends with him. Yes.
This story is written by Emmett Blyton.
Ma'am, the whole unit is about nobody's friend.
So Harry was angry. He got angry that why are people not talking to him? Why are people not playing with him? Why are people not sitting next to me? So he got angry and wild. He went to a sandy corner near a rocky pool and sat down by himself. Where are we? Which line are we on? Rahil Patel. Rahil Patel. Where? Read the next line. Shh.
He wouldn't offer anything to anyone.
Wrong.
He took his lunch and looked at it.
Inattentive people sitting in under my nose.
Ma'am, can I read?
Okay. So he went to a sandy corner near a rocky pool and sat down by himself. He took out his lunch and looked at it. It was a good lunch. There were 2 hard-boiled eggs, 6 jam sandwiches, 3 pieces of bread and butter, a ginger cake, and a bar of chocolate. A cake in which we put ginger cake. You've not seen dictation words. We have a gingerbread in it. No, he's not seen. He's not seen bread. Adrak. Okay. Shh. Who's making this noise? I'll give you a mic for background noise.
I was thinking that we should also get their live content. Zip their mouth, lock it and give it to them. And ma'am says take that care. Or no, actually seeking the care. So you first eating what?
He's eating the tape.
He's chewing it in his mouth like this. Yes, ma'am. That's the tape.
Yes. Again, come again.
How did it take out the lunch?
They didn't think of mentioning that. But on a picnic, we usually take a lunch.
It will be a word that is coming up. Yeah, and it will
He's not a no, a better logic. He's not a Tapti Valley student that Tapti Valley will provide the food at the picnic also. Silly question at the wrong time.
What?
Nothing. He would eat it all by himself. He wouldn't offer anything to anyone. So he did not. Besides being teasing others, hurting others, he also does not like to share his things with others. So that's why they're connected. It is telling you the nature of people and how we should learn a lesson from it. Just as he was beginning on the eggs, he heard a hoarse voice near him. Good morning. I am so pleased to meet a boy like you. Harry turned around and stared in fright. Whatever do you think he saw? Harry saw a monster crab walking sideways out of the pool. His eyes were on the ends of the short stalks and he looked most queer. He held out his front claw to Harry. Harry put out his hands to shake the crab's claw. So what did he thought? That I'll just play with the crab and I'll just shake hands with him. But what did the crab do? It closed its claw because its claw opens like a beak. Okay, so he closed his hand.
Ma'am, then he realized.
Huh? What?
Ma'am, then he realized.
Yes. Yeah. What are your question?
Ma'am, my question is that here queer is there. So there's a in for Trinity grade 4 speech and drama. There is a poem, Tom's Walk. There's a boy whose name was Tom who had a high explosive bomb by mixing some iodine with sugar, flour, and plasticine, and to make it smell more queer. He added
Weird, strange. Queer means strange.
meaning
Strange. Meaning?
to make it smell more queer. To make it smell more strange.
Weird, strange.
It was a bomb, so it has.
Okay, where were we? Yeah. He held out his front claw to Harry. Harry put out his hand to shake the crab's claw, but to his surprise and anger, the crab opened his pincers and nipped his hand so hard that the little boy yelled. Ah, here is my good cousin, said the crab pleasantly, and to Harry's horror, he saw a large sandy lobster crawling heavily out of the pool. Why did he call him the cousin? Because Kevna says they both are animals.
Ma'am, because they both are.
Because it's both have the habit of pinching. That's
Yes.
why they are cousins. Because they are monsters. Monster. Okay. Before the little boy could stop him, the lobster took his hand in his great princer-like claws and pinched it so hard that Harry yelled in pain. Move to the next page. Then he stared at the pool in surprise. For out came sandy-colored shrimps and prawns, more crabs, and another large lobster, and they pricked Harry till he was soon black and blue with the pinching. Why did he turn black and blue?
Because of the pinching.
Because when you pinch someone hard, what happens? The blood circulates. And then after a while, it will turn a little blackish blue.
Ma'am,
So
because
all the lobsters, crabs use their claws to pinch Harry very badly. So this was what he was doing all this while before coming to the picnic, right? Yes, who has a question?
Ma'am,
Rudra.
ma'am, his skin was black and blue because when he pinches his blood becomes dry.
Not dry. It's the blood stops circulating at that place where you have pinched. Try on your hand. Try it for 6 seconds.
Yes.
And when you leave it, you will see 2 red marks on it. And it'll go. It'll go after a while.
Yes, ma'am.
Not on your hand, on your arm. Arm. There your arm. Hand and arm are
On
different.
your palm, on your hand.
This thing.
For 6 seconds.
Because you don't have blood and you have to pinch it harder.
5, 6, 7,
Okay. Next. Don't you like it? Said all the creatures in surprise. Why? We were told you would love to see us because you were a champion pincer and pricker yourself. So now all the crabs, prawns, and shrimps are making fun of Harry. Come, join in the fun. Harry leapt to his feet, crying loudly. His lunch rolled into the pool, and when the crabs and lobsters saw it, they ran to it and began to feast eagerly. So all the food that went into the beach, they started eating all the sandwiches and the boiled eggs, and they thought it's a party time. Let's have the food. Harry saw that they had forgotten him for a time, and he turned and ran for his life, tears streaming down his cheeks. They only did to me what I keep doing to the other children, he thought. So now is the realization time. So he realized that this is what I have been doing all my life, trying to pinch people, trying to hurt people without a reason, and trying to tease people. So he was thinking how much it would have hurt the way I am hurt today. Now I'm realizing how much it would have hurt to those children and how angry they would have been on me. And that's the reason they are not friends with me. Nobody likes to talk to me. Nobody likes to come near me. Nobody likes to sit next to me. So he realized today, but how it hurt and how I hated those crabs and lobsters. I suppose the other children hate me too. Well, I jolly well shan't pinch or prick anymore. So he has promised himself that from today onwards, I shan't means I shall not. That's a contraction of shall not. Pinch or prick anymore. Jolly well is a phrase. Yes, Ayush, what's your question?
But late realization is also not good, no?
No,
We realized too late. Like, वही वाली बात होगी कि अब क्या करो जब we have to wait.
no, it's still time. The best part is that he finally realized, right? After facing all the trauma of the crabs and the lobsters, it's not that he still remained the same.
No, it's like the children will hate it, no? Nobody will touch it.
No, he will go and tell sorry to everyone, no, now that I realize this is what all happened with me. And now I realize how much pain I have given you, how See?
I lost a picture myself.
Ma'am, can't hear you.
Okay. So how many in the class have realized their mistake? Their mistake. See, Karnav. All of you have realized your mistake. And you are not going to do anything bad to others, no? No.
Ma'am, I'm not doing only anything bad.
Why are we talking together?
something?
1 minute, Yash. 1 minute. Yes, Karnav.
No, he said that you said that we all realize that mistake and we don't do again. He said, I will do again only. Wow. And so I will be the practice simple.
Then we will have a walk down the ramp. And from there we'll take a right. And then we'll go straight. And then we'll again take a right.
And then we will go straight in the door to meet the
And you will love that person. And you will love that person.
He speaks awesome English.
Got it? If you people don't mend your ways, this is your, what do you call that? This is the conclusion of the story. Yes, nobody will talk now. Yash, decide. What is it?
Ma'am, at the end of the class, I want to show something.
Show me now. What end of the class? Show me now.
Okay. See, I want to show this.
Yeah. What do
Ma'am,
you
I
want
want
to show
to
me?
show Saudi Arabia. See,
What?
I want to show Saudi Arabia. See.
Show. Oh my God, it looks like India only. What's so strange about it? Is it very hot there?
No, ma'am. See the pollution.
There are coconut trees outside of houses.
They are not coconut trees. They are khajurs.
They are not coconut, they are palm trees.
No, they are khajur trees.
Dates.
Dates.
Yeah.
Okay, dates.
Yeah, they.
Wow.
India doesn't have them.
This is your colony?
No, this is actually my compound society.
So this is your colony you're showing me, no? Your
Yeah.
society. Okay. So nobody's at home, Yash?
Yeah, ma'am. Somebody, my mother is there. And ma'am, if you will go outside, inside it's good, but outside you will find desert. Means, oh my God, everywhere desert like.
Wow. So when are you coming back to India?
Ma'am, I don't know now. So,
So you're not joining school on 3rd of Jan?
no, ma'am, I'm planning with my to come 5 days after 1 month or something.
Okay, fine. And the rest of you are coming, no? For 3rd Jan? Rudra Jajadia? No. What if we stop the online class? What will you do, Rudra? Sleep. He'll sleep on the bed behind him.
Ma'am,
The old lady.
Captain ma'am, Jajadia, he was in there in Migdad's birthday. So I asked him why he was not coming. He said that my bus stop is too far. I cannot go every day.
I know that. I've heard his logic for not coming to school.
What is Ayush saying again?
What, Migdad? Migdad, what did you say? Mic is off. Huh?
I just didn't hear Ayush properly. What did you say?
No, what did you say? You just said something and you switched off your mic. What did you say?
Yeah, I asked that what did Ayush say? I'm pretty sure he mentioned my birthday.
Yeah, he said that when he met Rudra Jajaria on your birthday, he asked him why he was not coming to school, and he said that the bus stop is too far from my place. A very lame excuse, Rudra Jajaria, for not coming to school. A very lame excuse. He left the meeting. See?
Ma'am, I have another for meeting Rudra Jajaria and for something like that. Ma'am, the reason is Corona just said there are Corona cases in the school now.
Yeah.
So that's
Okay,
why.
all of you, please take out your notebook and start writing the word meanings. Write down the date, the heading, chapter 16, the little bully. The little bully. There are 6 word meanings. The little bully. And tomorrow, children, We have picture dictation.
Yes.
Ma'am, can you share the screen?
Tomorrow, who all come early? First one to come in the class. Ekansh and Rudra. Ekansh and Rudra, please remove these words before I enter the class. And you can discard them because I've used both sides of the paper.
Ma'am, show the word meanings.
27, 12, 21.
A little of my question answers are left, so I should reconfigure it.
And why are they
Jacqueline,
left?
ma'am.
In any day.
Ma'am, show the word meanings.
And I've already said
Yes, ma'am. Show the word
Write
meaning.
them from the book.
Ready.
Write them from the book.
And there are only 4 now.
What, Migdad?
Ma'am, can you share the word meanings present the screen?
Ma'am,
For
just
what?
write them from the book.
You have to do
For
it.
the word
Word meanings.
Are you have the book? No, it's in your book. It's in your textbook.
Ma'am, but I don't have the book.
Oh yeah, Yash doesn't have the book. Wait, Yash. Wait.
Thank you.
Dhyan Dila, you don't have to open your mouth for writing.
Ma'am, we have to write word meaning and question answer both. No?
Did I say that?
No, ma'am.
I
So
said
added
only-
the headings.
Only word meanings right now. Question answers we're going to do tomorrow.
Yeah, so I should write word meaning and question answer.
How come we will do the test tomorrow? And which of this?
Ma'am, we take proxy.
Ma'am, I would like to what is the power of the star and like answer falling down.
Ma'am, I can't see the screen.
I have not shared yet. Wait.
Oh.
Yeah, you may.
Ma'am, the second word is horrid.
No,
Ma'am, have you heard of?
you can't go in every period, Nishika. You can't go in every period.
Catherine, ma'am, have you heard of Mongol's name? Horrid.
1 second, 1 second. Shh.
Ma'am, injury by blow to body meaning? Ma'am,
Ma'am, all the word meanings done.
ma'am,
Can I pay attention on them? 1 minute. I have to share the file with them. 1 minute. People don't understand the meaning of 1 minute, no? Yash, it's not opening, yeah, because of the network. Stop making announcements, children.
Ma'am, is this our notebook?
I will send you the PDF of both the chapters, Yash, okay? Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
I'll send you the textbook PDF. In a short while, I'll send you. So you complete only the question answers, the 6 word meanings. Sorry, not the question answers, the word meanings. Yes.
And time's up.
Ma'am, is this our class textbook?
No.
This is not our class textbook. This is our class textbook. You hit. Blow means you hit someone. He gave me a blow. Ridan, Mohit, are you writing? Your camera is off. Ridan. Okay, all of you, sanitize your hands. Now. Now. Sanitize your hands now. Who's? Very good. Jan Dalal. Why? You're coming to school without a sanitizer? Please bring your personal sanitizers to school. Each one of you need to carry your own sanitizers, your own mask.
You have to bring if you are potted.
He's already brought it.
But he said potted.
Brought. He said brought.
I usually need to clean your ears, Catherine.
I can hear him from such a distance and you can't hear him.
Catherine, ma'am, this second.
Ma'am, your voice is breaking.
Has everyone finished writing the word meanings? Lakshay? Have you finished writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Have you all sanitized your hands?
Then do we need to look this now? I tell to 15 times mask above your nose, mask above your nose. Everybody keep like this. Mask is everywhere. What's it on the mask? Not like that. Just don't do it like to take the washroom. And we should not take mask here. By chance, this wrong go over face is direct.
It needs to be on your nose. I am sitting far from you. That's why I'm not wearing it. Yeah.
And you are not fast. I'm going back. I'm calling seriously in your
But do you know who is Uttar?
Who is?
Uttar.
I'm Pratap.
Uttar means
Okay, children, the time is up. Get ready for your next class. Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
I think